Dashing through the snow in one horse open sleigh. Over the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirit bright. Oh, what fun it is to write and sing, slinging song tonight. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on one horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on one horse open sleigh. Yay! Welcome to all of you in our Christmas activity session. This is Varnima teacher. Today I am going to teach you how to make snowman with craft paper. Yes, children, it is now a Christmas time and there are so many things related to Christmas. We have Christmas trees, we have reindeers, we have Santa Claus, and we have snowmans. So many things you can see on the Christmas Eve. Yes? So time to celebrate Christmas and let us learn how to make snowman. Let's start our session. Materials required to make the snowman are craft paper, white, red, fevistick, scissor, sketch pens, watercolors where we require black and white, little amount of water and a small piece of cotton. Now let us put the heading what we are going to make. Let's write the date first. Today's date is 2222 1012 2121 and we are going to make snowman. So write the spelling SNOWMAN, man, snowman. So now let us black wash our paper. So dip the cotton into a water and then into the black watercolor. Here I am using Rangila color. Like this we are going to black wash the paper in one direction. You have to move the cotton simply in one direction, either in standing or in the sleeping position. So just move the cotton. Do not dip into the water again and again, otherwise your paper will become thin. This way we are going to color the white paper into black color. Now these are the two circle object I am going to use to make the cutouts of snowman. The first circle is approx 8 centimeter and the second circle, which is little big, is about 12 centimeter. Let us use the scissor and remove the cutout. Here is the square or you can say rectangle shape for the hat and these two circles are going to get stick in this way. The top one will be the head, which is going to be little small and the body part is little big. So now turn to stick the cutout of snowman. So what we are going to do is apply the fevistick nicely and then place it on the black paper. Yes, it is now black paper. We have black washed it. Apply the fevistick nicely and stick it in this way. Now time to stick the small one. Stick and just press it with your finger nicely so that it should not come out. Now let us stick the hat of snowman. For that you have to apply the fevistick on the rectangle portion first. The size was given around 1 centimeter into 9 centimeter. This way In little slanting position on top of head, you have to stick the rectangle paper, and now stick the square one on top of it. So just turn around, apply the Fevi-stick nicely, and then you have to insert it behind the rectangle shape. It will be little slanting position. So this is the position of hat of snowman. You can use any other color for the hat. You can use blue color also. Press it nicely with your thumb and finger. Now we are going to stick the stone on the hat. I am making it little decorative. You want to use any other material to decorate it, you can go with that also. Here I was having the pearls with me, so I am applying the Fevi-stick and sticking in this way to make it little attractive. So like this, in this position you can stick the pearls, or if you have any other stone you can stick that also. You have to hold it for some time so that it gets stick nicely. Now here I am using the scale and red color sketch pen to make the scarf of snowman. So you just have to make a sleeping line on the body part, okay, which is the big circle. First make the sleeping line just near the neck area, and then touching the sleeping line you have to make standing line down. Keep little gap, make one more standing line down, and join these two standing line with slanting line and slanting line. So first let us color this scarf so that the image should be clear to you all. You can use watercolor, you can use red color crayons, you can use any other color as well. Instead of red you can use blue, green, orange, any other color also you can use to make the scarf of snowman. So this sketch pen is watercolor based sketch pen, so this is giving the effect of watercolor. So can you see the pattern of scarf? Let's fill the color on the standing line also. Just remember children, when you are coloring, the direction should be in one way and the color should not go out of the object. First color the border and then fill the color inside. So as you all can see, our scarf of snowman is ready. Now using black color sketch pen, I am making the eyes of snowman. So just see the body part and accordingly you have to make the eyes and just find the correct position. Make a circle. You can use cutouts also. With black color marble paper you can cut the eyes and you can stick that. Here I am doing it with the help of marker pen. So this way our eyes is ready. Make it little big according to the size of face. Now time to go with the next step. Here we are going to make the nose with the help of red color sketch pen. Make a standing line, then make slanting line towards your right side and sleeping or slanting line towards your right side. Join these two slanting line to make a pointed sharp nose of snowman. Then fill the color inside. And here I am making a good smiling face of snowman. Yes, snowman is welcoming the Christmas, so let us make him happy. So this is the smiley face. You have to draw with the help of red color sketch pen only. As you all can see, our face is ready. Now with the help of again black sketch pen, we are going to make the buttons on the body part of snowman. So our body part of snowman is little big, so here I am making 4 buttons, one below the other. You have to make 4 buttons of snowman. As you all can see, children, our snowman is ready. Yes, now let us decorate it in its background. The paper which we have black washed, now let us give the effect of stars in it. Yes, it's a Christmas night and the snowman is shining in the night, and here the stars are gazing. Yes, the stars gazing. Very good. You can make it with the help of white color, with the help of brush and color. Just dip the brush into the color and do the pointing like this. Now children, let us complete this with the help of brush and white color this way. Now as you can see, the stars are twinkling near the snowman and the background is looking quite pretty now. Now here I am using green color to color the hat. This is completely your wish. If you want to do it, you can do it. If you don't want it, you can simply leave this. As you have already decorated the hat with the help of stone, if you want to give the border, you can give, otherwise you can leave as it is. So the dark watercolor, dark green watercolor I am using. This way you can just simply give a sleeping line like this. It should not look simple. Yes, the Christmas is the festival of joy, colors. Yes. You can see so many things on Christmas. Snowman, star, Christmas tree. Yes, angel, many things we see. So here, as you can see, I have decorated the hat of Christmas snowman in this way. So dear children, our snowman is ready, and here we completed our activity. So my dear children, this is our Christmas activity, and I hope you all must have enjoyed it. So this was just a one character of Christmas. You can check out many more on our YouTube channels. Yes, we have done so many activities related to Christmas. So just go through it and enjoy your Christmas now. Now, let us soon meet in the next video. Till then, take care of your health and have a good day. Bye bye.